Hey folks, Chris here on days 15 through 17, and my weekend actually went as planned. I got a lot of scrapping done, and I did a little collecting, but I feel like it didn't pay off. I'm going to go through everything here shortly. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I've just challenged myself to make $350 by March 7th, my wife's birthday. We're either going to hit the casino or I've got a gift in mind that I've been wanting to get her. Any case, I wanted to make a little extra just to have some and just to see if I could scrap part-time and make this money. So here we go. Well, the big disappointment this weekend was all the motors and transformers I pulled out of things. I was really hoping it was going to be copper, but it all turned out to be aluminum wire. Uh, I also thought I'd find a lot more brass than I did, but it is what it is. I'm kind of back in the groove again. I'm kind of enjoying listening to my little XM radio and going out and collecting again. The weather's going to clear up next week, so I'm going to get after it. I'm going to do this challenge. Again, I'm going to pick up the pace, and I'm going to get this done. This weekend was a little bit of a disappointment with all the work I put into it, but I'm going to keep going. So let's summarize everything, and then I'm going to end with a disclaimer like I always do. So let's get to it.
Keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.